Hey guys, welcome back to another over tasting. My name is Senior Hamon. And today we have a beer from Belching Beaver. This is Phantom Bride. It's an Indian Pale Ale. It is 7.1% alcohol. And it comes as pints in a 6-pack. This is brewed and canned by Belching Beaver Brewery, Oceanside, California, USA. And a brief description on the back. Named after the ethereal song by the one and only Deftones, Phantom Bride IPA is a blend of Amarillo, Citra, Simcoe, and Mosaic hops, delicately balanced for the perfectly drinkable mix of citrus and hoppy goodness. Excuse me. A truly original Deftones / Beaver Belching Beaver collaboration, envisioned by Chino Moreno and Scolify. Excuse me. Skillfully crafted by Thomas Peters. Sit back, put on your headphones, and drink away. Cheers. So, sorry, I just went on a run and a workout to get ready for this weekend's workout with my academy. So I broke out the big mug because I'm going to drink 2 pints and then read some of my book and go to bed. This is still not going to be, 2 pints is still not going to be enough to fill this big old mug. There's a shot of pour. Well, it might be. It's a good pour. This is a frosted mug tonight. So let's drink one of these bad boys. That is a very good beer. Doesn't have a super bitter hop taste at the very end. Yeah, I would say it's a really good balanced beer. Nice and citrusy. Excuse me. Let's see. Does have a decent amount of carbonation. Maybe don't drink it after a 2-mile run and push-up, sit-up, squat, and plank workout. But what are you gonna do? That's the only reason why I work out, so I can drink a couple beers. It's got a little bit of like a malt taste, but still like a nice good hint of hops. Like I said, it's not overpowering. Carbonation's a little much. Let's get a good gulp for aftertaste. Aftertaste is pretty good. Yeah, I'm not getting anything, like you're getting the right notes in the aftertaste. I would say citrus aftertaste is right on. what Simcoe is supposed to taste like, I'll be honest. Or Amarillo, like a liqueur, Amarillo liqueur. Because I'm kind of getting like a flowery taste from this beer. Yeah, like kind of like a more of like floral flavors, but which is good. I mean, it tastes very, very good. Recently I've been getting a lot of good beer, so let's say I'll give this beer on drinkability I'm gonna go 8.5 out of 10. Unless you're a casual beer drinker, you probably won't like this. It'll probably be like a 5 for you. But for me, I like the IPAs. I like the pale ales. I like malts. I like heavier beers. Now that I've experimented more with the heavier beers, I really don't like to drink like a Bud Light or anything like that. It's really, really, it's just not the same anymore. So if anybody has ever tasted this beer or wants to try it, I would highly recommend it. It's very good, a little bit on the carbonated side, so if you can't stomach that kind of carbonation, I would probably pass, or drink it in smaller doses, maybe drink half and half throughout like a long dinner, or just like one throughout the long dinner. Pint isn't that big, so, but I have to stick with the over tastings for my videos. Because I'm committed. I just watched the Chiefs barely win against the Giants while I was on my run, which is disheartening because the Giants are not very good and they have a lot of injuries. So probably not going to make the playoffs this year. Sorry, Master Chief, but it's just, I don't think it's going to happen, dude. Which sucks. I'm really not excited about that. It makes me really frustrated because I don't know what's going on with them. But anyway, here's a victory beer. We'll call it a pity victory beer. Yeah, there's like a little like a mapley malt flavor in this also. Tastes really good. It's more of like towards the back of your tongue. It's really making this hard pill to swallow about the Chiefs not making the playoffs better or easier to take. I appreciate everybody that watches these videos. I don't know if I can end with a signature chug. This is really, really carbonated. But ambulance is not a quitter. No, Colton. Ambulance does not quit. So, to chug or not to chug? This is the question. Let me get one burp out before I start this. Excuse me. Too carbonated. Can't do it. It's like trying to chug a seltzer. Oh. Well, I'm glad I got to end my night with you guys. Please share this video. I know that I don't have a lot of volume of videos. I try to get one done every week, a new beer every week. So these are weekly overtastings. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new. I know that I have a very bland background and my thumbnails are not the best, but that's because I don't have time to do all that stuff. This is all off my iPhone, and my time is best served somewhere else. This is for fun, and I'm glad if everybody is enjoying these, getting to find new beers the way that I'm finding new beers, by just going either to my local grocery store or like a specialty liquor store. There's one down the street still that I haven't gone to. I plan on going to that in the future. I also probably will not do any videos of me walking around the store, because I believe that that is very awkward. So yeah, for an IPA, I would say very good. Not too hoppy, like I said in the beginning. And here's to the final drink. Cheers, you guys, to your last gulps, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.